Hey guys, today I'm gonna explaining a couple of mistakes when using a pressure washer. Not a lot of people know that their pressure washer have an intake filter, so you might want to clean it at least once every 6 months. The very obvious, there's ton of electrical connections that cannot stand pressurized water spray on them, so don't use it on an engine. If you're using Nilfish pressure washer, you will get two nozzles. One is tornado nozzle, the strongest. You can use it on the tire and wheels, but not safe for paint. Second is auto nozzle. This can be used on the tire and also on the paint. Don't keep the nozzle of the pressure washer too close to the car as it can damage the paint. But this also depends how much power your pressure washer. 110 bar and below is safe to use it close on the paint. But don't point it at stone chips or paint cracks. It might be safe on the paint with 110 bar pressure washer and below, but not so much on wheel wells. Spray at a distance. Spraying too close will damage the anti-rust, but it's okay if you own the nozzle that's designed for under chassis, such as Nilfish under chassis nozzle. It's way weaker than the original nozzle. Water will get into the belts and over time it will make a squealing noise. So best is to spray at 45 degrees on the grill. Leaving water in the pump can result in mineral buildup and corrosion, which wear out the pump seals and piston. So the very least you could do is detach and spray until there's little water coming out. You cannot completely dry it unless you use something like Briggs and Stratton pressure washer pump saver, but that also depends on how your climate. Cold, snowy climate, you might need this. That's 7 mistakes I could think of, and some came from my own experience. If you have more, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.